Hi all, it's Deepa. Welcome to my channel Gyan Tech. Oh, sorry, that is Gyan Deepam. My channel's new name is Gyan Deepam. So today I'm here to share you a wonderful information that will be useful for all people. Those are conducting online session and video conference and all. And one of my colleague also asked me that while conducting the online session, how to see everyone in one window itself. It is not possible here. In other Zoom and all, it is very easy. So I was searched for that. Last I got the solution. Then I thought that it will be useful to all of you if I'm sharing. So that I'm going to explain how to see everyone in Google Meet while conducting online session. So let's get started.
So let's take Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome. Here you can type Google Chrome Web Store. Okay. Yes, Chrome Web Store. Click on this Chrome Web Store. Yeah, now it's ready. So we can add the extension. Which one? Google Meet Grid View. Okay, so I can type Google Meet Grid View. That is the extension I need to add. Yes, Google Meet Grid View. This is the extension we need to add to make everybody visible during our Google Meet session. Okay, so here I have already added my Google Meet Grid View. That's why it is showing rated. Otherwise, it will be like a Google Chrome add option. Okay, so it is already here. That's why remove from Chrome it is coming. So it's already added. So there is no need to add. Okay, so you can click on add to Chrome, then they will be asking for this one confirmation, then you have to click on yes. So this Google Meet Grid View is visible just now. So let us see how it is useful in our Google Meet. Okay, yeah, okay. So what is our purpose? Just to make everybody visible like this. All the participants are visible in this mode, then it will be okay. So for more interactive session, so all the audience will be shown on the screen itself. This is called tiled mode. So for that option is there. Before that you have to start a meeting, then only we can make adjustment in that. It's loading. Yes. See this Google Grid View button, Google Meet Grid View button, that is available here because we added that extension from Google Chrome Web Store. It's getting ready. Come on, fast. Okay, now I switch off this camera. Okay. Okay, there is no need to switch on this one, just I need to show you how to make the settings, that's all. So make sure that while doing your presentation this should be on. As per your requirements you can make it switch on or switch off. Okay, let us come to the point. Click on this join now button. Okay, then you can see that also when you added this one, this additional button is added here. So you can see that wide variety of options are there to make our session very effective as per our requirements. So here only show the participants with video, highlight speaker, and include yourself in this grid, enable. Now I am not adding anybody else here, just okay. So they are asking, are you talking? Because I just switch off this one. Anyway, for showing this one, I am not adding anybody else. If I am added this one, the people will be available here in the list itself. It will be available. So this is option, it's ordered after adding that extension, so you can make it active as per our requirement. In addition to that, you can also click on view advanced settings. Okay, so all these options are available as per your requirements. You can do it. So, okay, these are the options available. See, resize grid, when the toolbar is showing, so many options are there. Chat and this one, resize grid when chat is showing. Different options are available here. On video in grid behavior, like that way. So you can flip to match. The different options are there. So you can make it make use of all these options like this. These are the settings. Okay. Then after that, let us see how to do this one, how to make possible this one, change layout. Because of adding this one is active, change layout option is active here. Suppose if you're clicking this one, what will happen? No, this sidebar will be activated, which are all the participants available here. All this will be listed here, their profile pic. If their camera is on, you can see them here. Okay. Suppose if you want to see everybody on screen that I have already shown you earlier, like this, you can select that one. Then the whole participants, all the participants will be presented. You can see them in this screen itself. Okay, so like that way you can do it. So this is very useful and very simple. Don't forget to add your Google Meet Grid View from your web store, Google Chrome web store. After that, you make changes here. Here the change layout options will be available, so you can make changes and you can choose which one is required. If it is tiled option only, it will be available, it will be okay. All these participants will be visible. Otherwise, only in this sidebar it will be visible. Okay. So that is it for this one. Okay, I think this is very effective. Okay.
So I think this information is very effective and useful to all of you. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for more tech videos and all sorts of technical support. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye.